Yeah, this table probably won't last long. Hey, you're watching Nomad's Adventures. I'm Quentin, and we're about to make a jack-o'-lantern. So, I'd like to welcome all of you to the first Thumper Thursday. Thumper Thursday, I'm going to start putting them out at least once a month to start with, and then as my collection of thumpers grows and ideas grow, then we'll start doing them more often. But today is the first episode of Thumper Thursday, and we are going to be shooting a 458 Winchester Magnum. I'll try to get that in frame for y'all to look at. So this is a Birmingham Small Arms, Birmingham Sporting Arms. I can't remember if it's BSA, Birmingham Small or Sporting, I can't remember. But my grandfather gave me this, just like he gave it to me, an old Redfield 2x7 or a 2-to-7 scope on it, just kind of plain Jane in a sense with the scope and all. But this thing is a thumper. Check out the integral muzzle brake built in. I did a teaser not long ago, shot a watermelon, absolutely vaporized the thing. But also want to give you a size comparison so you can see this. Let me see if I hold these up. This is your standard 9mm. This is the AR-15 bullet, a 270 bullet, and I bet all these are probably blurry, so sorry. And then this is the thumper. So let me put them in my hand, line them up, and hopefully the camera will focus in on them without me dropping the rifle or the ammo to the ground. So take a look at that just as a size comparison. And this is a 500 grain factory load. When I got this from my grandfather, he gave me the dies to reload, and he also gave me a handful of reloads that he already did. He actually loaded the thing down to 4570 government loading. It's like a 350 grain hollow points and soft points. But anyway, I'm really looking forward to shooting this thing and having some fun with it. But today we've got some pumpkins over here, and we're going to make jack-o'-lanterns Magnum style. So Thumper Thursday, here we go. Let's do this. That's more like a nose. Turn that. That'll be his nose. All right, a little bit left. That's going to be his nose. Let's see if I can do this now. That one had a little thump to it. Just for kicks and giggles, let's hit one of them small ones. Night. All right, we're going to have to go load back up. All right, changing my mind. I'm actually low on ammo for the 458, so I'm going to end up shooting eyeballs and a nose in the other one. I'm going to finish off the mouth with the AR-15. That's my Bushmaster with Magpul stuff on it. Anyway. Aw, my table's breaking. There we go. Yeah, that didn't turn out like I was hoping. All right, got a whole nother one. We'll start over. All right, I've got 5 left. 5 of the 500 grainers left. Then I got to order some more, and right now, as anything ammo wise, it's kind of hard to find this stuff. So here we go, 5 shots. I've got 4 in. I got 1 already loaded up. I'm gonna try to do 2 eyes and then just do a mouth around. I'm gonna try to avoid the nose. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh, I got to turn this other camera on. Give me a second. Hey, I'm back. Here we go. Let's go. Ow! Totally knocked it off. Wow. All right, so I'd like to point out that there's a spot on my forehead where I just got scope bit with this big thing. That 500 grain bullet has a little bit more kick, and the eye box on this old Redfield does not have a lot of space. And well, I didn't have it planted in my shoulder nearly as tight as I probably should have, and well, as you can see, I got scope bit. And can I point out that that 500 grain bullet is slightly more devastating than those factory or those reloads my granddad was making. Like I said, my granddaddy was trying to load them down to like 45, 70 loading those 500 grain factories. Wow. I mean, just look at that. All right, let's do this again. Let's hopefully I don't get hit in the face this time like an idiot. 500 grainer, here we go. I'm gonna shoulder up just a little bit better and keep my eye away from this thing. Like I said, the eye box on this sucker's terrible. Like, to be where I need to be, I can't hardly see through it. It's a small little aperture. Anyway, crappy scope. Good night. All right, that's more of a nose. Let's try to go a little bit higher. We're going right under the stem with this one. Jeez. All right, and last time, I'm gonna put this one right. Now let's turn the camera around for this one. Hopefully I don't get scope bit again, and y'all miss that entertainment. Let's shoot the little boy. Gee whiz, that's a lot of carnage. Well, that was entertaining. I hope y'all got as much of a kick out of that as I did. Like, seriously, I mean, look, I got the scar to prove it. Well, it's not a scar, but anyway, that was entertaining. Had a lot of fun doing it. I hope that this is the first of many Thumper Thursdays. Again, my channel is super small right now, but we're going to grow this thing. And as it grows, hopefully we can do things like some giveaways. This bad boy is not going to be given away. This is a family heirloom. But anyway, this is Quentin with Nomad's Adventures. Guys, life is short. Go have an adventure. So have some fun with life. Let's quit taking things too seriously and just get a good look at that blood coming down. All right, please like, subscribe, comment, do all those things that the algorithm demands that you do. Appreciate it. Bye. Ooh.